If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. Dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts and thoughts result in action. Excellence happens not by accident. It is a process. You have to dream before your dreams can come true. Small aim is a crime, have great aim. Failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough. Don't take rest after your first victory, because if you fail in second, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just luck. All of us do not have equal talent. But all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talents. Man needs difficulties in life because they are necessary to enjoy success. Confidence and hard work is the best medicine to kill the disease called failure. To succeed in your mission, you must have single-minded devotion to your goal. Thinking should become your capital asset, no matter whatever ups and downs you come across in your life. Look at the sky. We are not alone. The whole universe is friendly to us. Let us sacrifice our today so that our children can have a better tomorrow. The best brains of the nation may be found on the last benches of the classroom. Great dreams of great dreamers are always transcended. Creativity is seeing the same thing but thinking differently. Learning gives creativity, creativity leads to thinking. A winner is not afraid of losing. Life is a difficult game. You can win it only by retaining your birthright to be a person. We should not give up, and we should not allow the problem to defeat us. Be more dedicated to making solid achievements than in running after swift but synthetic happiness. Science is a beautiful gift to humanity. Without your involvement, you can't succeed. With your involvement, you can't fail. Educationists should build the capacities of the spirit of inquiry, creativity, entrepreneurial and moral leadership among students. One best book is equal to 100 good friends. War is never a lasting solution for any problem. When our signature changes to autograph, this marks the success. Poetry comes from the highest happiness or the deepest sorrow. The purpose of education is to make good human beings with skill and expertise. Dream is not that which you see while sleeping, it is something that does not let you sleep. Difficulties in your life do not come to destroy you, but to help you realize your hidden potential. Knowledge with action converts adversity into prosperity. Great teachers emanate out of knowledge, passion, and compassion. Climbing to the top demands strength, whether it is to the top of Mount Everest or to the top of your career. Youth should always be empowered to think, act, and lead. Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. Thinking is progress. Non-thinking is stagnation. The bird is powered by its own life and by its motivation. Never stop fighting until you arrive at your destined place. We are all born with a divine fire in us. My message, especially to young people, is to have courage to think differently. Every pain gives a lesson, and every lesson changes a person. The nation's best minds may be found on the last benches of the classroom. Building capacity dissolves differences. It irons out inequalities. Where there is righteousness in the heart, there is beauty in the character. Knowledge makes you great. Teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character and future of an individual. Hard work and perseverance are the keys to success. Wisdom is a weapon to ward off destruction. An ignited mind is the most powerful resource on the earth. No sanction can stand against ignited minds. God helps those who work hard. Youth are the backbone of a nation. Books become permanent companions. A teacher should have a creative mind. Success is not easy and definitely not for lazy. Dreams are the foundation stones of a successful future. Success is when your signature becomes an autograph. Don't read success stories, you will only get a message. Read failure stories, you will get some ideas to achieve success. All birds find shelter during rain. But the eagle avoids rain by flying above the clouds.